Have you ever wondered how AI is transforming the field of project management? We're at a point where AI is changing the game in so many industries, and project management is no exception. From automating tasks to predicting risks, AI tools are popping up everywhere, promising to make projects more efficient and give project managers superpowers. So, we're going to dive deep into how these tools work, the real-world impact they're having, and what this AI revolution means for the future of getting things done. We've all been there, drowning in spreadsheets and scheduling meetings. But what if AI could take those off your plate? AI-powered tools are stepping in to automate those mundane tasks, automatically generating reports, scheduling meetings, and handling basic email communication. These AI tools learn and adapt. They get better at understanding your preferences. Imagine an AI assistant scheduling all your meetings, generating progress reports, and reminding your team about deadlines. That's the power of automation in project management. Project managers can focus on strategic thinking and leading their teams. It's about optimizing how teams operate. By automating low-level tasks, AI allows project managers to lead and strategize. It's about working smarter, not harder. One of the biggest challenges in project management is dealing with the unknown. Risks are an inevitable part of any project, but AI is giving us a powerful tool to identify and mitigate those risks before they become major roadblocks. AI-powered predictive analytics can analyze massive data sets, spotting patterns and trends that humans might miss. This allows project managers to anticipate potential problems and make informed decisions to keep projects on track. Think of it like having a crystal ball, but instead of magic, it's powered by data. By analyzing past project data, external factors, and even real-time information, AI can identify potential risks and estimate their likelihood of occurring. This kind of foresight allows project managers to proactively adjust plans, allocate resources more effectively, and even explore alternative solutions before a problem escalates. But it's not just about predicting potential disasters. AI can also identify opportunities that might otherwise be overlooked. By analyzing market trends, customer data, and emerging technologies, AI can help project managers identify new avenues for growth and innovation. This data-driven approach to risk management is a game changer. It allows for proactive decision-making, reduces the likelihood of costly surprises, and ultimately increases the chances of project success. With AI on their side, project managers can navigate uncertainty with more confidence and steer their projects toward the best possible outcomes. Creating a realistic and efficient project plan is crucial, but it's also incredibly complex. AI is stepping in to simplify this process by optimizing resource allocation, streamlining timelines, and ensuring projects flow smoothly from start to finish. AI-powered tools can analyze vast amounts of data, considering factors like team availability, skill sets, dependencies between tasks, and even external factors that might impact the project. This allows for the creation of highly optimized schedules that maximize efficiency and minimize downtime. Imagine being able to input all your project requirements, deadlines, and resource constraints into an AI tool, and it generates the most efficient schedule possible. That's the power of AI-driven planning. It takes the guesswork out of scheduling, prevents bottlenecks, and ensures that resources are used optimally. But it's not just about creating a static plan. AI tools can adapt in real time to changing circumstances. If a task takes longer than expected, or if a team member becomes unavailable, the AI can automatically adjust the schedule, notify stakeholders, and suggest alternative solutions to keep the project on track. This level of flexibility and responsiveness is invaluable in today's fast-paced work environment. It allows project teams to stay agile, adapt to unexpected challenges, and deliver projects on time and within budget. With AI handling the complexities of planning and scheduling, project managers can focus on the strategic aspects of their work and guiding their teams toward success. In the age of big data, making informed decisions requires more than just gut feelings. AI empowers project managers to move beyond intuition and make data-driven decisions that are backed by evidence and insights. AI can analyze massive data sets from various sources, identifying patterns, trends, and correlations that humans might never spot. This analysis provides project managers with actionable insights that can inform every aspect of project management, from risk assessment and resource allocation to communication strategies and stakeholder engagement. Imagine being able to track project progress in real time, identify potential roadblocks before they occur, and make adjustments based on data-driven predictions. That's the power of AI-driven decision-making. It eliminates guesswork and helps project managers make informed choices that lead to better outcomes. AI can also help project managers understand the why behind certain trends or patterns. For example, if a project is consistently behind schedule in a particular area, AI can analyze historical data and identify potential bottlenecks or inefficiencies that are contributing to the delay. This level of data analysis can be incredibly valuable in identifying areas for improvement and optimizing project workflows. It allows project managers to understand the root causes of problems, rather than just addressing the symptoms. By using data to inform their decisions, project managers can make more strategic choices, mitigate risks more effectively, and ultimately increase the likelihood of project success. Effective collaboration is at the heart of every successful project. AI is breaking down communication barriers, fostering seamless teamwork, and empowering teams to collaborate more efficiently than ever before. From communication platforms that facilitate real-time interaction to project management tools that provide a centralized hub for information sharing, AI is transforming how teams work together. One of the most significant ways AI is enhancing collaboration is through intelligent communication tools. These tools can translate languages in real time, transcribe meetings automatically, and even analyze communication patterns to identify potential misunderstandings or conflicts within a team. AI-powered project management platforms also play a crucial role in fostering collaboration. These platforms provide a centralized location for all project-related information, ensuring that everyone on the team has access to the latest updates, documents, and communication threads. This level of transparency and accessibility is essential for effective teamwork, especially for remote or distributed teams. By breaking down communication silos and providing everyone with the information they need, AI helps teams stay aligned, work more efficiently, and achieve shared goals more effectively. One of the most remarkable aspects of AI is its ability to learn and adapt. In the context of project management, this means that AI tools are constantly evolving and improving their performance based on the data they collect. As AI tools are used on more projects, they gather valuable data about what works and what doesn't. This data is then used to refine algorithms, improve predictions, and enhance the overall effectiveness of the AI tools. Imagine an AI project management tool that remembers your preferences, anticipates your needs, and even suggests strategies based on your past projects. That's the power of continuous learning in AI. This ability to learn from experience is what sets AI apart from traditional project management software. AI tools are not static. They're constantly evolving and adapting to the changing needs of projects and teams. This ensures that project managers always have access to the latest and most effective tools and techniques, allowing them to stay ahead of the curve and deliver exceptional results. The AI revolution in project management is not just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how we work. AI tools are empowering project managers to automate tasks, predict risks, optimize resources, make data-driven decisions, enhance collaboration, and continuously learn and improve. The benefits are undeniable, leading to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and a higher likelihood of project success. If you're involved in project management in any capacity, now is the time to explore how AI tools can be integrated into your workflows. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting, embracing AI can give you a significant edge, allowing you to work smarter, achieve better outcomes, and stay ahead in today's rapidly evolving business landscape. Many project managers are already leveraging the power of AI in project management, from small teams to large enterprises. The future of getting things done is here, and it's powered by AI.
Thank you for watching. Join us for engaging topics, clear and concise explainers, and tutorials that will help you navigate the complexities of AI responsibly. We also believe in the power of community. Your questions, comments, and feedback are what make this journey exciting. So, don't hesitate to join the conversation and share your thoughts with us. Are you ready? To embark on this journey towards a more ethical and responsible AI future, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, let's shape the future of AI responsibly.